How you doing, folks? Tom with Midwest Gold Fever, and it's with much dismay that I actually come to you today. We never did hear back from Wayne Lowe Jr. On our half gram giveaway, so I'm having to do a redraw. Now, I gave Wayne every opportunity. I tagged him multiple times in multiple posts. I posted on his community pages. I know he has a business that's an outdoor company, so I also went on their Facebook page, sent him a message to his personal Facebook page. I tried to follow his domain name, and there was just, I feel like I've made every effort in the last 8 or 9 days to get this to him, and unfortunately I never heard back to claim the prize. So the slobber bag I did hear back from, but the big one, half gram giveaway of custom pay dirt made by moi, I never heard back from. So we're gonna do it again. Give me just a second here. We've got the half gram giveaway right here. You also get 3 stickers included in that, and I'm also throwing in a Midwest Gold mini pan. So hopefully the winner this time will get a hold of me. So let's draw that winner right now. All right, folks, here we go for the second drawing of the half gram gold giveaway pay dirt. I knew I shouldn't have trusted Prospector Tim for this. Let's paste in the link. Now fetch it. Anything goes. No replies. Loading comments, and let's pick our winner. Prospector's earner. You have won. He says, congrats on your 500 and winning the giveaway. I always say if I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. Well, you got good luck today because somebody else didn't get a hold of me. So Prospector's earner, Prospector's earner or Prospector's earner, I'm not sure. Either way, you're the winner, dude. Get a hold of me at tom@midwestgoldfever.com, and you will have 8 days to claim your prize, sir or ma'am. Thank you very much. There you have it, folks. Congrats to Prospector's earner. Hope you get a hold of me so that you can get this great pay dirt prize that I got here. I'd hate to give it away a third time, but we'll give it away till somebody claims it. So get a hold of me, and folks, hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you got full. I know I did. Be watching out for our video this week. It may be probably Wednesday or Thursday before I could get it out because it's kind of extensive on the editing. We've got a really cool skit in this one, and I think you'll find it kind of funny. So we'll see you on the next one, folks.
To that river to wash my sins away. I was thinking of you in that wedding gown. I went down to that water, I washed my sins away. The world faded away as I went down, 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 down. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead